It's definitely giving off, I grease my edges.
Let's get it on.
We don't give a what. We don't give a what. Get it on the floor. Get it on the floor.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It's also Sip and Slay, and your girl is excited because she got her wand today. Clink, clink, open up this can. Yes, oh, my nails. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I got my pineapple. Ooh, they got a kick. This little can joint tastes better than the actual, the bottle. Okay, hold on. Tag team, yeah. I gotta be careful with that one. But anyway, for today's video, we are getting into this glueless install that has some upgrades. So if you want to see and hear what I'm talking about, make sure you stay tuned for this install. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and put this unit on together. Okay, I need to cut this tag off first. Make sure you're reading your tag. I'm real big on just taking stuff off without reading it, but if you need to do a return, you definitely have to return the wigs with the tags attached. I don't think I need a wig grip because how this wig is looking, let me get that off. How this wig is looking pretty secure with this, the elastic band. They give you the no slip grip on the actual elastic band, which I love. Not only does this help with making sure your wig is secured to the back of your nape and comfortable, it also lets you know which side the elastic band should be on, because sometimes I'll be putting it on backwards and it don't be feeling right, and that's why, because I have it on the wrong way. Okay, so I make sure I put it on correctly. I shouldn't have to do any work to this unit because it pretty much comes ready to go out the pack. So let me, oh wait a minute, let me stop playing and loosen this up. I know. I knew better. Okay, so on the dome like that, secure. Ooh, that's comfy. Ooh, this smells good, y'all. Bring it back. It's really far. Let me bring it up some. There we go. I think I can tighten it down more now that I have it on. Okay. Ooh, that's forehead. That's forehead. That is forehead. But the way this lace is looking on my skin, I shouldn't have to blend anything down. It's a little bit darker than my skin, just a tad, a teeny tad. Okay, but do you guys see how this is looking on me? And I'm not gonna go in and pluck anything out because I actually like how gradual and natural this looks. It's definitely giving off thick hairline, but not thick that it's unnatural. It's definitely giving off, I grease my edges. It does look a little blocky in here for me, but it still looks natural. I'm gonna have to just shape it around a little bit, you know, for my forehead, because, you know, I got all this, okay? I got all this forehead real estate, and I like to, you know, I like to keep it contained sometimes, okay? The hair quality is top tier as always. It's not a textured wig, but Hairvivi has perfected their type of thick, silky texture. Like, it just works for their wigs. I really like how this looks and feels on me. Like, it's real soft, y'all. Now, when it comes to the middle of this wig, it pretty much blends really nice. However, they did send me their new scalp tape. This is what that looks like. It comes in 2 different colors. Obviously, I got the darker one because, you know, I'm a little bit more melanated. So I'm gonna see how this looks on this wig. You're supposed to be able to use this without using any type of excess makeup product around your lace or in your partner's face. It actually may be a little bit too dark for my scalp, but we're gonna see. They also sent me the lace cards. These are the 2 laces that are close to my skin tone. So you have cappuccino and you have mocha. Let me bring that up closer so you guys can see. Okay, so make sure when you are choosing your lace for your wigs, you are choosing one that matches your skin tone. I could kind of get away with both of those. Mocha still though is a little bit darker, so I probably would go towards cappuccino here on the end. Okay, so yeah, not bad, not bad. That True-scalp tape actually works. Let's go ahead and style this wig, because again, like I said, it's not going to be hard. I'm going to wear this unit glueless because I don't feel like gluing nothing down. Okay, let me get my ear tabs right. I didn't cut some daggone hair. Uh-oh. All right, let's cut this in 3 sections. Like I told y'all in my last video, I like to cut in 3 sections, even if I'm not gluing something down, because I like to have control on, you know, how I'm cutting my lace off. Oh, I'm not gonna have to use no makeup on top of here, just because of how dark the lace is. There's no point in me doing that. I probably will use some concealer though, just right here in the front of my hairline. It still works, it's just a little bit too dark for me. I like my part to be a little bit brighter. Ooh, I hope I didn't cut no hair off. Just a little bit. This is probably why I should wear contacts, but I'm not. I'm not, y'all. I don't like anything near my eye like that, so I won't be doing that no time soon. You see how I'm talking about? The lace is a little bit too dark for me. If I had the cappuccino lace, it would be a little bit lighter, and I feel like it would blend a lot better with my skin tone. But we still gonna make it work for us, okay? So let's go ahead and do this, all right? So I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse. Don't worry, I got more coming in the mail. Let's do 2 pumps. Let me save what I have left. Like this and like that. And I'm gonna put my band on here. Like that. All right, let's go ahead and straighten out this hair. Okay, so is this hot? I think so. Just gonna straighten this down. Ooh, oh yeah, that's hot. That's hot. Straighten it down, get my roots flat. Y'all see how that, look at that. I do the hump. Now there are some short pieces near the parting space, so make sure you are aware of that. I'm gonna use some what's it called? What's it called, y'all? What's it called? Smoother, wax. I'm gonna use my wax stick to get that together. I'm gonna use my wax stick on top of here. And I know it's not ideal, but I have been using a little bit of grease on top of my wig as well. Just kind of seal all that in. Hey, smooth that hair down. Stay hydrated. Where is my comb? Okay, gonna use my flat iron. Straighten it out. If I can open it. Okay, I don't want the granny belt. Let me relax. Let me relax. Let's go ahead and take this off so you can see the hairline. Let me just use a little bit of hairs around the hairline. Okay, she looking good. She looking good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so how are we looking? How we looking? Y'all saw that I did go in and fix up my hairline just a little bit. I didn't want swoops, I wanted swishes, okay? There's a difference. And I did that to kind of hide the darker lace that's on my skin. So I didn't want it to be too pronounced if I had this hair pushed back, as I planned on doing it out the pack. The hair texture, like I said, is on point. The color, I mean, come on, the color is on point. Y'all see it. I like how this looks, y'all. This color is gorgeous. If you are afraid of color, but you want to try a little bit, just a little bit, yeah, go ahead and get you a highlight joint. You ain't gonna know what to do with yourself, okay? I promise. I told you. It also says this unit comes with a larger parting space, and I can definitely say yes, for Hairvivi this does give a larger parting space, so I can give myself a deeper side part if I wanted to. Okay, but I don't, not today. I love the upgrades, Hairvivi. Not everyone wants to do a lot of work to their units. Me personally, I don't mind it because, you know, I like to get my wigs, you know, good for me. But if you are someone who wants to kind of put it on your head and go, Hairvivi is for you. What's also for you is that price point, okay? When you check the price down below, it ain't my fault. Y'all saw that I blended my the True-scalp tape to the rest of my hairline because that little indentation in the front was going to show through. So in order to blend that, you got to use your concealer around the actual indentation or line of demarcation on that tape to blend it all together. I could probably do the cappuccino for my skin tone, but I'm pretty sure they sent me the mocha, which again is okay. Y'all saw that I worked it out. But now that you know, make sure you go ahead and get the right lace color and the True-scalp tape color. This is looking pretty good, and that grease got my hair laid down, baby. It looks good. Call Daddy Papa. Okay, it's time. Get your conversation voice ready. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.